If you want to give Firefox a more personal look, changing the wallpaper background is a quick and easy way to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set a Firefox wallpaper background, use one of the built-in options, and even upload your own custom image. This is a simple customization, but it can make your browser feel much more enjoyable every time you open a new tab. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. If Firefox is already installed, just launch it like you normally would from your desktop, taskbar, or Start menu. Once Firefox opens, you're ready for the next step. Now click the New Tab button at the top, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and T on Windows or Linux. If you're on a Mac, press Command and T. This will open a fresh new tab and take you to the Firefox homepage, which is where the background customization options are available. On the New Tab page, look to the bottom right corner. You should see a Customize button. Click that and Firefox will open the customization panel. This panel is where you can control different parts of the Firefox home screen, including what appears in the background. In the customization menu, find the Wallpapers section. Here, Firefox gives you a selection of built-in wallpaper backgrounds. You can browse through the different categories and click on any one you like. As soon as you click a wallpaper, Firefox will instantly apply it to your new tab page, so you can see the change right away. If you want something more personal, Firefox also lets you upload your own image. To do that, click Add an image. Then browse to the picture stored on your computer, select it, and click Open. Firefox will automatically use that image as your new tab background. This is a great option if you want to use a favorite photo, a branded image, or a wallpaper that matches your style. And the best part is, you can switch it anytime by returning to the Customize menu and choosing a different background. Once you've selected the wallpaper you want, you can simply close the customization panel and enjoy your new Firefox homepage. Every time you open a new tab, your chosen background will appear there. So that's how to set a Firefox wallpaper background in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Firefox and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.